Alright, it's snowing out, so it's time to do some winter test camping. It'll be a little stealth. I'm not supposed to be where I'm at, but let's go. Alright, plenty cold out as you can tell. We are at 8 degrees and hit a low of 4, it looks like. We will be powered by EcoFlow Delta 2. Cooking will be by the Insta Mini. I'm just one person, right? Not sponsors. Tonight we'll be making, I'm going to call it Hobo hamburger soup. I'm going to go in the simmer, put in my budget meat. Still good. I hope. Tonight's knife of choice is a Koloska, I can't pronounce it, but it's a full auto. So, gonna add mixed potatoes. Oh, and before I forget, a little Lawry's seasoning to the ground beef. And next, some tomato soup. Oh, that is thick. If it's too thick, we'll get a little burn notice. Alright, tonight's temperature is dropping down to 12 degrees. And it may hit a low of 4 degrees. So I'm going to appreciate double bagging it. The Instant Pot is just about done. The EcoFlow has shut off. I don't know why, maybe it's too cold. Turning it on, 34% power, and now it turned off. So I'm assuming it's too cold. Right now, the pot's still pressurized, but the time should be done. So you know what that means? Depressurization time. Plug this. Sometimes that happens. Depressurizing, isn't that fun? Let's see how much of a mess that made when it tipped too far. Ooh. Well, it looks like I caught the burn in time. There's very little. Oh. Now, should I try to eat this 200-degree meal? Or did it cool? Hobo hamburger soup. Not bad. And of course, cheese makes everything taste better. Because now it's Hobo cheeseburger soup. Who doesn't need a cheeseburger, huh? Living like a king. Alright, it's going to be a cold night, so I'm getting ready. Got my thermal pad for comfort and warmth. I got my oversized but cheapo sleeping bag. That is not going to cut it. No, it's going to be what I call a two-bagger. I have my mummy bag, which I want to put inside of here, so I stay nice and toasty. And we can go full mummy mode here to stay warm. In fact, I'm getting toasty just in this heavy coat. Oh. Big question is, shoes on or shoes off? Okay, in the mummy bag, and the sleeping bag. Now it's time for lights out. Still funny. One sleeping bag. Warm and toasty. Time to get out of here before I'm seen. Stealth camp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. T-shirts.